Hello, Paul here from EMD. I've got a Porsche 996 Turbo that I'm working on, so I actually stripped down the actual door, the window glass out. Everything was pretty much out. So I can put the new window regulator here. There's a brand new one there. So I'll put the door back together right here, just to show you guys what I'm doing. And this is the old window regulator. It's all broken into pieces. See how it's all broken like that? So that's the one was in the car, so I'll put a new one in already. So now I'm gonna test it to make sure it works. Put the ignition on. I'm still waiting on other parts for this car here, like the steering lock and all that. While I'm waiting for those ones from Germany, I'm going to actually finish whatever I can. Alright, so now you can actually close the door, open, window drop, it works. The window drop works when you open it, it drops down 10 mil. So you can actually have a gap so you can open the glass, otherwise you'll hit on the actual trim there. So that's working. So now I can actually open it up and close it. So now I'm going to close it. Pretty much that's it. So everything's working now. So I'm going to actually double check tomorrow. And then I'm going to do the water test. Water test meaning before I put the door trim on, I'm going to put the car, I'm going to adjust actually adjust the actual glass, window glass, to make sure there's no water going in. It's just one bit worn down here. Nothing major. Okay, just a quick video to show what's happening on this vehicle. That's the old window regulator. I'll put the alternator. I'm going to start putting the alternator back in the car so I can actually start it up. So if I start up now, if you look at the alternator, so when you turn the light on, it's sitting there. When the vehicle, when the engine is hot, when after like say 10 minutes or 15 minutes of running, 10 minutes, 20 minutes of running, the actual alternator start dropping down. When they get hot, that's when they fail. So anyway, thanks for watching and please subscribe.